Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, I want to tell you the story of a man who changed history without using violence. He did not lead an army. He did not carry weapons. He did not become powerful through force. Instead, he used courage, patience, and peaceful resistance. His name was Mahatma Gandhi. Today, he is remembered as one of the most influential leaders in world history. But his journey began with a shy young boy who struggled to speak in public. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through stories, please subscribe to Everstory English. Your support helps us create more stories for your English learning journey. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869, in India. His family valued honesty, respect, and education. As a child, Gandhi was quiet and shy. He was not the strongest student, and he was not the most confident child. In fact, he often felt nervous speaking in front of others. But Gandhi was honest and curious. He wanted to learn about the world. As he grew older, he decided to study law. To achieve this goal, he traveled to England. Living in a foreign country was not easy. Everything felt different. The food was different. The culture was different. The people were different. But Gandhi adapted. He worked hard and completed his studies. After becoming a lawyer, Gandhi accepted work in South Africa. There, he experienced something that changed his life. One day, he was traveling by train. Even though he had a valid ticket, he was ordered to leave his seat. When he refused, he was forced off the train. The experience shocked him. It made him think deeply about fairness and human dignity. Gandhi realized that many people were facing similar treatment. Instead of responding with anger, he began searching for peaceful solutions. He believed people could challenge injustice without violence. This idea became the foundation of his philosophy. For many years, Gandhi organized peaceful campaigns. He encouraged people to stand together. He encouraged them to remain peaceful even when facing difficulties. His message spread, and more people began listening. Eventually, Gandhi returned to India. At that time, many people wanted greater self-determination and political freedom. Gandhi became one of the most important voices for peaceful change. He traveled across the country. He met ordinary people. He listened to their concerns, and he encouraged unity. One of Gandhi's most famous actions was the Salt March. At the time, ordinary people faced restrictions on producing salt. Gandhi believed these rules were unfair, so he organized a long march to the sea. Thousands of people joined him. The march attracted international attention and became a powerful symbol of peaceful resistance. Throughout his life, Gandhi faced many challenges. He was arrested multiple times. He spent time in prison. He faced criticism from many sides. Yet he continued promoting peace and nonviolence. His determination inspired millions. People around the world began learning from his example, and many future leaders admired Gandhi's ideas. His influence extended far beyond India. Perhaps Gandhi's greatest strength was his belief in the power of ordinary people. He believed real change could happen when individuals acted with courage and integrity. He taught that violence often creates more suffering, but peaceful action can inspire lasting change. By the end of his life, Gandhi had become one of the most respected figures in the world. His simple lifestyle, strong values, and commitment to peace left a lasting impact on history. Today, his teachings continue to inspire people everywhere. What can we learn from Mahatma Gandhi? First, courage does not always mean being strong or loud. Sometimes courage means standing up for what is right. Second, peaceful solutions can be incredibly powerful. And third, one person can inspire millions through honesty and determination. Today, as we learn English together, we can remember Gandhi's example. Learning English requires patience. Progress takes time. Mistakes are normal, but every lesson helps us improve. Every new word brings us closer to our goals, and every step forward matters. Thank you for listening to this story today. I hope you enjoyed learning about Mahatma Gandhi. I hope his journey inspired you, and I hope this story helped you improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring stories on Everstory English. Until next time, my friends, keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing.